nothing like living a simple life. Something out those aches and pains from working on the farm.
Hey guys, it's Eric. Hey, I was at Home Depot the other day and I was looking at these. Look at the painfully expensive cost of an electric riding mower in 23. 8 grand plus tax, of course. 8 grand for a 54-inch deck, 80 volt. The Z54i it looked like. Holy cow, dude. And this one's 7,000, and I think they had one that was a little cheaper. Yeah, 6,000. People are not going to buy these. This is way. This technology of someday will be cool, but it ain't there yet. It ain't there yet. And I'm all about electric cars. I'm not afraid of the future, but come on. What I did find interesting here was the Murry MT1000 or MT100. 2 grand, which is about twice what it's worth, but Murry is back. Who knew? And then we had some Toro zero turns here. Not a bad price on the Toros, but yeah, the Murry, they were extinct. They went belly up, but somebody apparently has brought back the Murry line. It's just a base model, a 13.5 horsepower MT100. And these Toros, man, that's 3,300 right there, or 34, I guess, and this one as well. They look pretty good. I like those. I've never been a fan of zero turns, but I would certainly get one. But back to the Murry here, it's got a 13.5 Briggs. It's electric start. I mean, it's a nice little basic mower, but who remembers in 2020 and 2021, these were $799. Oh, the MTD models anyway, which is pretty much must be who bought this. Looks a lot like an MTD to me. I'm happy to see Murry back. I am not happy to look at that price and the prices of those electric ones. If we're going to move to an electric riding mower or, small engine society, they're going to have to figure something out when it comes to batteries, because no one is paying $8,000 for a zero turn that probably has an hour runtime. Till next time, my friends, take care.